Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the gamma correction function on the ArtFlow application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the white circle on the upper right corner of the screen and tap to the 6 square on the top left corner of the screen. This is the home page, and tap to the 3 circle on the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Go to the painting section and you can find the gamma correction option and tap to the next white circle and this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.